Here's how to cancel a Kayo Sports subscription, stop future recurring payments, and understand where to find the cancellation option based on how the subscription was purchased in less than 3 minutes. Today, I will show you a step-by-step guide so you can stop future renewals without accidentally canceling through the wrong platform. First, sign into your Kayo Sports account and wait for the home screen to load. You'll see your profile icon in the top corner. Select it, then open My Account to access your account settings. From there, open the subscription section where you'll see your current plan, renewal date, and billing details before making any changes. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom of the subscription page. This is what people mean when they say the cancel button is hidden. It's not secret or removed. It simply sits near the bottom of the page, so many users stop scrolling before they ever reach it. Once you find it, select Cancel Subscription. Then you'll see a page asking why you're leaving and, in some cases, an offer encouraging you to stay. Choose a cancellation reason, continue to the final confirmation screen, and confirm the cancellation request. After that, you'll see a message showing that your subscription will not renew, along with the date your access will end. Now check your email for the cancellation confirmation, then return to your account and verify that your subscription is marked as cancelled or scheduled to expire. Your account may still appear active, and that's normal because you'll usually keep access until the end of your current billing period. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Check your payment receipt or bank statement to see who bills your subscription. If it's Apple, cancel through Settings, your Apple ID and Subscriptions. If it's Google Play, open Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions, and cancel Kayo there. If you're billed through Hubble, Telstra, or Foxtel, sign into that provider's account and cancel the subscription there. If the cancel subscription button is missing, it's usually because another billing provider manages your subscription instead of Kayo. Once everything is set, your subscription will show as cancelled or scheduled to expire, future automatic renewals will stop, and you'll continue to have access until the end of your current billing period. Following these simple steps makes canceling your Kayo subscription quick and easy.